In a bid to reach 9,000 ounces, Tony Beets is starting early, but the Yukon winter is fighting back. His brand new 950 excavator is just days away, but before Tony can take delivery, he must clear 400 tons of snow in Arctic temperatures.
I mean, there's nothing worse have the truck driver show up and then just because I didn't have my together. So let's get ahead of him.
Damn, this mirror got colder.
It didn't get any warmer today, that's for sure. It should be on. The won't start.
Nope, they're frozen.
Nothing fires up easy.
Really cold right now, so when we start up at -30, everything takes a little bit longer than it's supposed to.
To clear the claim in time, Tony decides to revive the family's trusty old snowplow, his 700 horsepower D10 dozer.
Give him a hand with a tarp, make sure they don't rip the out of it when they drag it up the stairs. We have a cargo parachute, so at least it covers the whole machine. And we blow lots of heat underneath it, and in the meantime it heats up the machine too.
The 50-foot Army parachute, designed to airlift tanks into war zones, should trap enough warm air to thaw the frozen oil, raising its temperature above 0 degrees Fahrenheit.
Here we are. That is the kind of effort you have to go through when you show up early in the Yukon and you have -30.
If Tony tries to fire up the $1 million D10 dozer before the oil is warm enough, it could destroy the engine.
Okay, Monica, preheat the.
Okay, we're ready.
Oh, by that girl. Okay, crank the. Keep it flat out, huh? Okay, give her. I don't like this. Something ain't right. Too much black smoke.
Tony Beets is attempting to fire up his snow-plowing D10 dozer in sub-zero conditions.
We need more oil.
The oil is thawed and has reached 0 degrees Fahrenheit, but now he needs more of it.
4 or 5 pails oil in it. We'll see if she can fire up. We're gonna have to kind of hurry up.
One more of these and we'll be ready to go.
All good? Well, let's see what we got. Okay, take the tarp off. Well, that's what happens when you get things organized. If you put the heat to it, then things fire up like nothing. Let's go, Mike.
Tony must now clear the 400 tons of snow before his new excavator arrives in just a few days' time.
Yep. It's nice to be back here. We're gonna open up the gate, plow the road, so when the 950 comes in, at least we'll have some space. That's more like it.
Make some room so when that 950 shows up that we can have somewhere to build it.
Go, 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 go. We got to bring up the boom and the counterweight to Paradise Hill. You got to have the right tool for the job. The loaders, you'll be screwing around. But we don't have much of a choice right now. So in the meantime, we improvise. Good, Mike. Well, we got to load the boom up. Take the loader and shove the thing over. Good job. As of course, so cold. Ridiculous common sense wise. I should have stayed in Mexico and waited 2-3 weeks. The guy would have to have a brain. He would retire, maybe. Right? That's good enough.
Next, the huge 17-ton counterweight.
Watch out, it's slippery and snot around there, okay?
Designed to stop the 950 from tipping over when lifting a heavy load.
steering. When you compress snow, it turns into ice, so it makes it much more tricky.
A bit more. Too heavy.
10 tons, I think, is about the max it'll lift. So about 5 tons over is more than enough to put its ass end up.
Well, we gotta lift it up. It ain't working. I think we'll grab the counterweight with 2 loaders. We'll put a chain and we can drag the trailer underneath it instead of trying to push it. That makes more sense.
Plan B, a risky double loader lift.
Good, bring it in. Good, good. Lift the damn thing up.
It's gonna be dangerous. Make sure you stay clear.
One wrong move, and the counterweight could slip off and topple a loader.
Give that a hold of a second. Get together, huh? Down, down, down. There you go, more down. Throw it in. Good. Gentlemen, up. Get your force in. Good. Let's go. Good. Put it in neutral. Go, get this way. Good. Voila. Perfect. So that went pretty well. I guess that's what you call improvising. We didn't wreck too many things, so we're doing okay. Ready to roll. Off she goes.
Tony's back on the road to Paradise Hill.
That's great.
And just in time for the arrival of the 950's body,
Yeah.
keeping him on track for a record-breaking 9,000-ounce season.
Yeah, it's nice to see that 950 here. The weather is smartening up a little bit. We may even still get going someday this spring. Bye.